Icera-inĩ rĩake muthenya wa Jumamothi kaunti-inĩ ya Mandera, President William Ruto anyitanĩire igongona-inĩ rĩa gũtuga ikundi cia atumia rĩrĩa rĩtabanĩirio kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Mandera. Ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ yake, President agĩũkĩrĩra thirikari hĩtũku na gũcithitangĩra gũthutũkania gĩtarũ kĩa rũgongo rwa bũrũri ũhoro-inĩ wa ũthii wa nambere na kwĩranĩra gũcenjia rũgano rũrũ.
Tutaendelea kuhakikisha kwamba serikali yako Mheshimiwa Rais inaendelea kuhakikisha huduma ya serikali inapatikana kona yote. Na hiyo mambo ya vitambulisho ambao mnasema, tutaweka misingi sawa kuhakikisha vitambulisho yenu inafika kwa haraka.
The next election will be a contest between tribalists and those who believe Kenya belongs to them alone, and against President William Ruto, who wants to leave a legacy that every community from El Molo to the largest, every county, however small or big, every community and every religion will be recognized as citizens of our country. So, Your Excellency, sisi tuko hapa viongozi, we will stand with you.
Hii Northern Kenya iliwachwa siku nyingi. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Wale wananiuliza maswali, kwani Northern Kenya ilianza wakati mimi nimekuwa rais? Si imekuweko miaka hiyo yote? Mbona haikutengenezwa? Sasa mnaniuliza maswali gani? Wale wanajaribu kuniuliza maswali. Northern Kenya was not created when I became president. It was there, but it was forgotten. And that is why we are righting the wrongs of 60 years here in Mandera and in Northern Kenya.
Nĩguo kũgacĩrithia gĩthomo, eranĩire atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩkwandĩka arutani 1,800 a gĩtarũ gĩkĩ igũrũ rĩa arĩa 100,000 mandĩkĩte guothe bũrũri-inĩ.
Shule ikifunguliwa hii muhula ambayo inakuja, tutakuwa na walimu 1,800 wapya. Tayari tushawapatia barua kusomesha watoto wa Northern Kenya. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Mnanielewa? Na hiyo ni mbali na wale walimu wengine wote waliwajiriwa 100,000 na Wakenya wengine.
Thutha ũcio, President erekeire igongona-inĩ rĩa gũcokia ngatho rĩa mũmbunge wa gĩcigo kĩa Banisa Ahmed Hassan. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.